In this guide, we will show you how to safely and correctly change the filters on the L6 mono DownJet and SideJet machine. Step 1. Prepare the necessary materials: replacement filters, protective gloves, cleaning paper, and solvent or flux in case of spills. Make sure you have everything within reach before you begin. Step 2. Preferably, check that the machine is completely stopped before handling any components. Step 3. Open the side door to access the ink system. This is where the filters we are going to replace are located. Step 4. Place absorbent paper at the bottom of the compartment to prevent ink spills during replacement. Then unscrew the filters one by one. First the upper one and then the lower one. Step 5. Carefully open the new filter and check that it is in the same position and orientation as the previous filter. You can keep the previous fitting, but check that it is not bent or broken. Otherwise, replace it with a new one. This is very important to ensure proper operation. Step 6. Screw on the new filter, starting with the top one and then the bottom one. Make sure they are firmly in place and the fittings are tight without forcing them. Step 7. Once finished, remove the absorbent paper and close the access door properly. Check that everything is clean and properly closed before continuing to operate the machine. The filter change has been completed successfully. This preventive maintenance is key to maintaining the print quality and good condition of your L6 mono DownJet and SideJet equipment.